Welcome to Lesson 12.1, Topic-Wise Revision from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain by Kriti Edu. You've covered an incredible journey, mastering modules across procurement, production, logistics, analytics, and integration. This lesson consolidates everything you've learned into one comprehensive recap, ensuring you're fully ready for the certification exam. By completing this lesson, you'll be able to recall the full supply chain flow, understand key configuration dependencies, remember Fiori app IDs, and review critical integrations. You'll strengthen conceptual recall, the ability to visualize process steps instantly, which is exactly what SAP exam questions test. Big picture, SAP supply chain flow. At the core of SAP S/4HANA Cloud lies one integrated flow. Plan, procure, receive, store, produce, deliver, bill, analyze. Every action, from purchase to billing, updates a single HANA database. There's no data duplication or delay. That's why the S/4HANA Cloud model is the foundation for intelligent, real-time enterprises. Core architecture recap. S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition operates as software as a service on a three-tier model. Fiori as the user interface, the ABAP Cloud for business logic, and the HANA database for in-memory processing. Configuration happens through CBC using SSCUIs. Extensions are handled via key user, developer, or BTP-based side-by-side extensibility. This architecture guarantees agility, security, and scalability. System navigation and Fiori Launchpad. Your central workspace is the SAP Fiori Launchpad. It delivers a role-based experience with tiles grouped by business roles: buyers, inventory managers, planners, and accountants. Using personalization and filters, users can tailor dashboards for efficiency. Apps like Stock, Multiple Materials F0271, and Material Documents Overview F179 are frequently used in daily operations and appear often in exams. Master Data Recap. Master data is the DNA of every process. The business partner serves as the single source for suppliers and customers. Product Master defines materials across logistics and finance views. Plants and storage locations represent your organizational structure. Dependencies like batches, serials, and units of measure control how stock behaves in each transaction. Good master data equals system stability. Procurement cycle, PR, PO, GR, invoice. The procure-to-pay cycle is fundamental. A purchase requisition is raised, converted into a purchase order, followed by goods receipt and supplier invoicing. Movement type 101 posts goods receipt, 102 handles returns. GRIR account clearing links logistics with finance. Fiori apps, manage purchase requisitions, and post goods receipt for PO will always feature in your exam. Inventory management highlights. Inventory management maintains both quantity and value accuracy. It categorizes stock as unrestricted, quality, blocked, or transit. Transfer postings and reservations are common operations. ATP checks ensure product availability. Automatic account determination updates valuation accounts instantly. Table T156 governs movement types, and T030 links valuation to GL accounts. Warehouse integration, EWM Lite. The system's integrated EWM Lite manages storage bin-level operations. Inbound deliveries create warehouse tasks automatically for put away. Supervisors confirm tasks to reconcile IM and EWM stock. Apps Warehouse Monitor F2755 and Manage Warehouse Tasks F3441 help visualize workflow and identify bottlenecks. EWM integration questions appear frequently in certification. Production and MRP recap. Production in the cloud uses MRP Live to balance supply and demand. Material Master, BOM, routing, and work centers drive the process. Staging raw materials to the shop floor uses Movement Type 261. Order lifecycle flows through created, released, confirmed, completed. MRP shortages and order exceptions are commonly tested topics. Physical inventory ensures system accuracy. You create PI documents, enter counts, and post differences. Cycle counting categorizes materials by frequency, A, B, or C class. Movement types 701 and 702 handle adjustments. App Manage Physical Inventory Documents FIF174 lets you monitor open and posted counts in real time. Demand Planning connects forecasts to MRP and production. Through IBP integration, forecast data flows directly into cloud MRP. The AATP process validates product availability during order entry. Configurations include checking groups and rules via SSCUI TIN531. App Check Product Availability F1974 shows confirmed, partial, and unconfirmed statuses in one view. Embedded Analytics and KPIs. Analytics are embedded directly in the S/4HANA core. Using CDS views, dashboards provide live performance tracking. Apps Inventory Overview F29991 and Production Performance F2907 show key metrics. Use custom analytical queries F3308 to create your own dashboards. No standard KPIs, inventory turnover, blocked stock value, delivery accuracy, and MRP adherence. Integrations with EWM, TM, IBP. Integration ensures end-to-end visibility. EWM manages bins and warehouse tasks, TM manages freight and shipment, and INS forecast and capacity. Standard APIs link them through BTP. Delivery documents trigger EWM tasks. Shipments create TM freight orders. IBP sends demand forecasts. Integration mastery differentiates consultants from learners. Finance and logistics linkage. Every logistics transaction impacts finance. Automatic account determination maps valuation classes to GL accounts. GRIR postings, COGAs, and stock revaluation happen in real time. Use display journal entries F0709A to verify the accounting flow. This is a key integration domain for both exams and interviews. End-to-end case. Global Tech Manufacturing. Imagine Global Tech Manufacturing producing a finished good FG 2001. Raw materials are procured via PO, received in inventory, and staged for production. Once completed, goods are delivered to the customer and invoiced. Each step posts updates in inventory, finance, and analytics dashboards. This full-cycle example is the essence of the certification. Configuration tables and SSCUIs. Remember key SSCUI IDs, 100297 for account determination, 101379 for plant parameters, 102399 for movement types, 13266 for valuation class mapping. Tables MARA, T001W, T156, and T03U are must-know references. They link configuration logic to master data relationships. Top Fiori apps and movement types. Core Fiori apps for supply chain include F0271, F179, F0860A, F2091, F2907, and F3308. Know their navigation and use cases. Memorize movement types 101, 102, 261, 601, 701, and 702. These appear repeatedly in certification and interviews. These are your operational foundation codes. You've now revised every major process of S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain. This summary ties together architecture, configuration, execution, and analytics. Use it as your final reference deck before exam day. Next, we'll move into Lesson 12.2, 100 Key Questions Practice Set to validate your knowledge. Criti Edu, learn, practice, certify, succeed.